Hey guys, Austin the Money here. Stocks are selling off hard today. S&P's down about 1%. QQQ's down 1%. If you look at the sectors, money's flowing back into energy. Money's coming out of every other sector except for energy. Energy's the winner today. It's a defensive play. Oil prices are on the rise because of the war in Iran and Israel. Wow, the market is just bleeding today. That's pretty crazy. If you look at my thing, I sold out of all my positions at around 10:45 this morning. I officially have nothing but cash, no stocks, no options, no nothing. I've already earned about everything. I've done the math, and I already earned about everything I could out of those nvidia options. I mean, even if the stock fell $10, I would collect $10 more of premium, but then I would lose on the $10 of stock appreciation because of the stock price falling. So I would still be breaking even. So I was thinking to myself, like, why even wait for that? Why not just go ahead and get into another trade? You know, whatever nvidia does, my account would pretty much stay flat. For the month, we're up almost 8% or $2,000 versus the S&P 500 is up 4%. So we've almost doubled the S&P 500's return in the past month, which is a huge win in my book. I did want to do a live trade here with you guys. nvidia is the king in my opinion. It's just a little too expensive right now. I mean, if it was trading went back down low 120s, I would love to sell some puts on it. But I don't know, selling at 128 puts, they're just not going to print me that much. We'll go out 4 weeks. We'll take a look. I would like to sell around the 115-ish just because I feel like it's a little safe. But that return for 4 weeks is maybe, 1.5%. Not bad, but NVIDIA is just too rich right now. I mean, we're up almost 7% of the week and 21% on the month. You know, I'm going to wait for a little pullback or something. The market's bleeding. NVIDIA is still ripping. NVIDIA is almost trading at a 60 PE. I don't know. I think NVIDIA can pull back some. I mean, it got up to 130 today. But the trade I'm doing would be Tesla. Tesla's having a rough week. They're down already 7.5% on the week, 3% on the day. This is a good time to sell puts. And Tesla has earnings coming up on October 23rd. So these premiums are juicy. We're talking, look at that, 77% implied volatility. That is insane. So I'm thinking of selling a pretty conservative put. I'm thinking one of these two right here. 210, I feel like 205 is pretty safe, but 210 is going to give me over a 2% return. So the 205 would give me approximately a 1.8% return, give or take. And this would give me probably like a 2.1, 2.2% return. But the difference is $100 of premium between the two. So big difference between these two. These are very far out of the money. We're talking $30, $35 out of the money. So very safe, and you're still getting 1.5 to 2% return in 3 weeks. This is expiring October 25th. So this is in 3 weeks. Actually, less than 3 weeks because today's Monday, and these expire on a Friday. So we're talking like a little over 2.5 weeks, and I can get 1.5 to 2% return. And honestly, Tesla around the $200 mark would definitely be a better buying entry for me as well. I'm thinking of playing it safe. I like the 205. Premium's looking good, so we're going to go ahead and do this trade. We're going to put it in the middle of the bid and ask. Actually, is it going up or down right now? All right. Let's do a live put for you guys. All right, sold. So we just have collected $339.97 of premium. All right, you guys see my trade right now and how much we still got. We still have some margin to use and cash. Let me see if it would let me do anything with nvidia. Would I be able to sell a put on nvidia? Nope, I would only have 7,400 available and I need 11,600. So I may just stay cash since cash is paying 4.5% annual right now. I may stay cash. Yeah, Tesla's just getting hammered today. I may stay cash. We'll see. Trying to find some good use for this. Yeah, this stock's been trading pretty sideways lately. 76. When's their earnings? November 7th. I guess this will be the only trade I do right now. This will probably be the only trade I do today. Yeah, guys. Markets are tanking. Nvidia and the other semiconductors seems to be the only things green in technology today. That's insane. Oh man. You know what I could do? I could buy 100 shares of nvidia and do an in the money trade like I was telling you guys in my last video. If you guys have not watched that video, check that out. It is a nasty strategy. Basically, what you do is you buy 100 shares and then you sell it in the money covered call. So this right here, if I bought 100 shares at 128, my break even would be 130. So from 128 to 130, you're looking at what, $2.40 a share. So you're going to make $240 on this trade. $240 on this trade as long as nvidia is above 115. If nvidia falls below 115, you're going to collect the entire $15.40 of premium, which is very possible too, by the way. Both these are very possible outcomes. I wonder if I could do what's good for 3 weeks. Yeah, I don't know. The 4 weeks looks pretty nice. All right, guys, I'll wrap it up here. I may or may not do this. We'll see. Yeah, guys, I just sold a 205 put on Tesla. Got $340 credit. Expires in 3 weeks. I will keep you updated. 340 would put me almost at $28,000. All right, guys. See ya.